Hello my dear friends, welcome to Instant Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha and today we have yet another Sylvania smart bulb. But this time there is a difference, it is full color bulbs. And the funny thing is the price of them is about the same as these guys, which are just soft white bulbs. So today we're gonna take a look what are these and how good are they. And then we'll figure out what's inside, maybe in separate video. Let's see. I think in this video we're gonna just check it out, the qualities, the colors and things like that. But in another video we're definitely gonna do tear down. So stay with me and we gonna take a look at that together. So this is from Canadian dollar store called Dollarama. Maybe it exists also in some other dollar stores, but this is what it is. And I think it cost 5 Canadian dollars. I think I was mistaken previously. I think I said less. I think it cost 5 Canadian. So there are two light bulbs here. So as far as price per bulb, I think it's pretty good. Like $2.50 per a light bulb. It's not too bad. So let's take a look. Has the sticker here. And here we are, just two light bulbs and the manual, that's it. It's the same pretty much story like with the previous light bulbs. They are work with Google and Alexa, and my Google Home Mini does not work for some reason, does not find them at all. So we're gonna be using Alexa here. So Alexa seems to be doing well. Yeah, I'm gonna shut it down for now. Okay, so we have light bulbs, two of them. They are relatively light. Okay. They claim 800 lumens, 9.5 watt, 90 milliamps. So we're gonna definitely test all that. So let's, I guess, there's nothing else to do but just power this thing up and to see what's happening. So I have here the outlet and let's just plop one in. Oh, okay. So that was stupid of me keeping this thing powered. Because I could have put my fingers in there, it'll be very interesting jolt. So there is a button here. Okay, so what do we do? What does it say? That's strange. Okay, say Alexa, discover devices. Alright, so let's do it together with Alexa. Here's our Alexa, this way. Alexa, discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments.
Yeah, well,
Your new devices now, and if needed, put them in pairing mode.
I think it's already done something. Yeah, well, it's slow.
I found second light, and you can control it by saying, turn off second light. To rename it, tap the name on the screen.
I'll be second light. Alexa, turn on second light.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Hey, Alexa, turn off second light.
Okay.
Alexa, set color of second light to blue.
Okay.
Yeah, it kind of works. Alexa, set 100% brightness on second light.
Okay.
Is this 100%? Well, clearly we can't control this device by voice, but let's find the smart home stuff and try to play around with this. So we have our second light. Let's do lights. Second line, first light and second light. This guy is shut, not connected. So, all right. We can change brightness clearly, but how do we change color? Alexa, set color to red.
Sorry, what device?
For second light.
Okay.
You know what? This is pretty dinky. My wise bulbs are so much more powerful. It's weird. Alexa, set color to green for second. Okay. Alexa, set color to yellow.
Okay.
Alexa, set color to blue.
Okay.
Okay, this is, I don't know. Alexa, set brightness to 50%.
To change brightness, swipe down on your Echo Show screen and use the brightness slider.
Alexa, set brightness to 50%.
To change brightness,
Alexa,
swipe down.
but you did change brightness before.
From careeyes.com.
Yeah, okay.
You can click or drag the brightness
Alexa?
slider to
Set brightness for second light to 50%.
Okay.
Okay, guys, looks like it's going. Yeah, but it clearly, unless the studio light actually overpowering this little dinky light, and that's why it looks like so washed out. But okay, let's do some electrical measurement here. Let's use our kilowatt here and see. Oh god, it's gonna be awkward because we have Alexa connected here. Yeah, I need to come up with some better contraption right here. Oh, maybe this is gonna work like this. Alright, that's something. Alexa, power supply, can I keep it? Stop.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I know you're not sure. Alright. Let's do watts. 1.1 watt. Alexa, set color to white. Alexa, set color to white for second light.
Okay.
So it's actually pretty bright right now. It's very hard to look at it. Alexa, set color to red.
Okay.
I see. I'm wondering how it's all designed. What's inside? Because it looks like there's a whole bunch of white LEDs and only like few tiny LEDs just for the color. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely want to take a look. Because no freaking way this thing can do 800 lumens. Like, not even close. It's just like, it's barely any kind of color. And it's, as you see, it's 1.1 watt. And so power factor gonna be shit probably. Yeah. So power factor is shit. Alexa, set color to white for second light.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't change. Oh no, it did change. Oh wow, that's different. So looks like the power factor is clearly depends on the pulse modulation, which actually this controller outputs and drives the driver. Yeah. Okay, that's interesting. And clearly this light bulb not gonna be potted because it's super light. Power factor we checked. Alexa, set brightness to 5 for second light.
To change brightness, swipe down.
Alexa,
on your Echo.
set second light brightness to 5.
Okay.
Yeah, clearly power factor is all over the shop, and it's consuming only 0.8 watt and 1 VA. Not too bad. I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed. I thought this is gonna be much brighter. If you remember my wise bulb color or wise color bulb review, here is the link. You can take a look how much brighter that was. Yeah, and like for example, if I switch wise bulb color into blue, it's actually very strong blue. This one is a bit underwhelming. And another stupid thing that you cannot control a color through the user interface, only through the voice. Alexa, set second light color to purple.
Okay.
Alexa, set second light brightness to 100%.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, interesting. I don't know if you see that. You see kind of weird patterns here. Not sure what is this about. Yeah, it's like it's interesting. Alright. Okay, let me shut it down. Not just unscrew. Safety, obviously. Let's just hook up another one. I'm just gonna pair both of them. It's gonna be third light, I guess. Alexa, discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments.
Oopsies.
Turn on your new devices now.
Yes.
And if needed, put them in pairing mode. 1102W. Now that you have completed the setup, I have a few basics for you to try. You can save
Alexa,
at any.
stop. It's kind of funny that Alexa just discovered my laser printer, which she never discovered before. It's kind of hilarious, but that's okay. I don't really need it connected. Alexa,
Problem.
Alexa, set color of a third light to purple. Alexa, set color to to third light to purple. No, I said
Okay.
Alright, so now it's a purple again. It's kind of weird pattern here, and it's really hard to show it. Let me see, maybe it's gonna show. No, it does not show up now. It's show up, so but barely visible. Interesting. So here we are. So this is this Sylvania color bulb. I think it's a bit underwhelming. Now I understand why it was sold in a store for cheap. So what I'm gonna get to it for sure. What I suspect going on inside, there is a whole proper array of red LEDs, and there is a some few LEDs which are colors, probably few, like, yeah, I'm really interesting what the heck is going on inside. Because looks like color is very weak, so it could be like several just small RGB LEDs, and that's it, yeah. And right now it's actually consuming 1.7 watts. I'm curious if they have memory of the last color settings. Yeah, they are. All right. Well, yeah, I'm not sure what to say. Yeah, it's really weak. Ah, forgot. One very important test. It's a flicker test. For this I have to get prepared. Alright guys, looks like we have our oscilloscope ready. Here's a little solar cell and the light bulb. We have some signal here, but I do believe this is interferences, because if I even disconnect it, it's like, maybe not. Let me pick up on the, yeah, it definitely picks up some EMIs. Yeah, look at this. Okay, let's just add this guy. Yeah, it's now. Oh wow, it's really probably bad contact here. Oh yeah. Well, judging by this pattern, we have probably 120. Okay, do we? Looks like it's hovering around 120 hertz. So yeah, I assume there is a flicker 120 hertz from this light bulb. We definitely can check with the other with my Galaxy S10. Okay guys, so I think that's gonna be it. As you see, so technically for 250 cents or $2.50, that's okay light bulb. But yeah, well, the color are as a light bulb, I think it's good. It's actually oh wow, it's actually pretty hot here. It's really hot. My other light bulbs, for example, New Solhetta, whoa, it's really hot. Interesting. New Solhetta, for example, I don't think it gets that hot ever. Yeah. So it looks like this bulb is just, but again, 250. New Solhetta is actually not expensive as well. But if you need to add some color, I think this is gonna be working just fine. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next time, and please subscribe to see the tear down of this light bulb. You definitely want to see what's inside and check some theories. If you wanna, you know, comment and give your idea what could be there inside, what's the balance gonna be between color LEDs and regular white LEDs, yeah, please, I want to hear what you think. But yeah, this is what I got. So in summary, white color is actually pretty good. The colors, like the colors are the power of the color illumination is pretty weak. It's like 1 watt when you do color and almost 9.5 or almost 10 watt when you do white. And clearly they're not using the small LEDs, the color LEDs. It's remain to see, but my idea, my guess, they are not using otherwise, because there is no color cast and color is always the same. Yeah, but again, that's something to see. So thank you guys for watching. Again, please share, subscribe, and like this video if you like this sort of videos, and please stay tuned. Definitely gonna be tear down. See you next time, and ciao. Stay safe.